Hey, hey! Come with me and I walk you through the process of styling Judy Lung with 17 looks for official VIP TIFF events over 11 days. Judy reached out to StylLounge fashion director Adam Kwang after seeing his work on Diana Wong from Real Asian Film Festival director for the Fire Horse Award. Has TIFF Vice President of Strategy, Communication, and Stakeholder Relation. Judy is the main point of contact for public relation, press, and film industry. She also moderates TIFF open press conference and discussion panels, including those at the CBC. We have a meeting to review her style and created a style DNA for the festival. The goal was to give her an elevated look, something professional, but not overshadowing TIFF industry guests or movie star. We planned it everything, down to the bag she carried her essential, including backup plan with clip-on nails for emergency. Each event have a backup outfit in case things evolve during the festival and we need to adapt. One of the toughest challenges was to get designer on board in such a short notice. We act as a buffer between designer and Judy, managing logistics and ensuring everything would deliver on time for a smooth experience. Through StylLounge, designer gain exposure to industry VIP and media, including coverage in outlets like Toronto Star and The Hollywood Reporter, demonstrating the power of these collaborations.